Don't let your pet be a party pooper. I have 7 tips for you on how to keep your pet occupied while you party on.
Do you break into a sweat with even the thought of having company? I'm here to help. After trying just a few of my hosting tips, you'll be more than ready to say, come on over.
Do you have a puppy playpen? Well, if you have a puppy, then you probably need a playpen for when you have guests and you want to have some private time with them and not have it all taken up by this little cutester. And in the pen, we have toys, we have squeakers, we have dinosaurs to chew on, and we have a really nice defined space to keep him happy. Make sure your pet has eaten, had a drink, and gone out to potty before your first guest arrives. That way, you won't be mid-sentence when the dog goes, I really gotta go, or howling for food. Another idea to keep your dog, or your puppy in this case, occupied during your party is a Snuffle Mat. So you might be thinking, what? I know of Snuffleupagus.
Yes, I am a Snuffleupagus.
What's a Snuffle Mat? Well, I am hiding little pieces of food in here for my little buddy to find, and this can keep him occupied, well, I was gonna say for hours, but probably not him because he's super smart. If you have a dog that's more on the low intelligence scale, and you know what I mean, those are awesome dogs, it could take them a long time to go through every little spot on this mat to find every little piece of food that I'm putting in here. But you can see that he's a pretty good food hunter on this mat. But it's a wonderful way to keep the peace. You can see how quiet he is. He loves this mat. I love this mat. We all love this mat because we can have our party and he can party on his own terms. So while he's snuffling, let me talk to you about a few other ideas for keeping your dog occupied during a party. One is to introduce new toys, and that would be a good non-squeaking toy. I mean, squeaking toys are fun at first, but then when the party's going on, you don't want to hear this. No. You want something quiet that they can throw through the air and play with and chew on and keep them occupied. Also, really good chew toys like the Kong. The Kong is great because you can take treats, you can take peanut butter, you can take the Kong Easy Cheese Treat. Look at the cheese in there. I wonder, oh, look at him go, yes. So that's a nice little way to distract them and be rewarded, or just a chew toy that they can practice chewing, not on your furniture, not on your guests, but on their own toys. And if it's a new chew toy, you kind of gamble. They might like it, they might not, but it's worth a try, am I right? Of course, my number one recommendation would be to hire a puppy sitter for your party. And I'm just gonna go out on a limb here and say that almost any teenager or a younger person I can think of would want to be spending their evening with an adorable puppy. I mean, who wouldn't want to get licked like this Kong, or snuffled like this mat, or squeaked like the toy? It's just a fun way to keep the puppy occupied and to keep your party rolling. Your pet does not have to ruin your party. All you have to do is keep him occupied while you party on. Oh, and he just French kissed me. Nice. All right. Oh, now he wants that. He's like, forget the snuffling. There's cheese. Oh. He wants the microphone. He was so funny in that too. He's like, he just pried my hand open. It's gross. My hand is gross. Oh my gosh, my hand is covered in dog saliva. Was he like, no, please don't do that?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.